This is a follow-up video on the video I recorded earlier on about heroin. Somebody asked, because I mentioned Nyaope, somebody asked how Nyaope is made. So Nyaope is a cocktail drug, meaning it's a concoction drug. That means that there are a lot of things that are in that concoction, various things. So the first one being heroin, normally low-grade heroin. What does low-grade heroin mean? That means that heroin has been cut a lot of times. I'll explain cutting on some other day, but for now it's low-grade heroin, grade C heroin to be more specific. The second thing that's added in Nyaope is ARVs. Normally the ARVs that have a psychoactive effect are emtricitabine and ephedrins. So emtricitabine and ephedrins, those are the ARVs that have a psychoactive effect. However, some ARVs are added, although most of them are benign, but the main ones are emtricitabine and ephedrins. Those have a psychoactive effect. They cause the users to basically hallucinate because they're added in large quantities. The third thing that's added into Nyaope, in what you will find in a classical Nyaope sample, will be latex. So the active ingredient of latex would be something like kuma tetralyl, prodiphacum. So next time you buy latex, flip that box around and look at the thingy and study the active ingredient. For most latex pellets, it would be prodiphacum, and prodiphacum is a second generation warfarin or rodenticide. Rodenticide is a poison that kills rats. That's just a fancy term that means that. So in a classical Nyaope sample, that is what you will find. For the people that want to study more about Nyaope and the composition of Nyaope, the chemical composition of Nyaope and everything, you can DM me. Again, I've got a very interesting paper by Dr. Pabalala Mishek Mtembi. It's a PhD thesis that he did at the University of Free State. So you can check it out. I can send it to you. And then if you want to study more about Nyaope, he details everything there. So yeah, that is what is in Nyaope, or the chemical composition of Nyaope.